If you're looking to streamline your global employee onboarding process, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use Oyster's global employee onboarding system to make your employee experience smoother, no matter where they're based. Stick around until the end to unlock an exclusive extended free trial that you won't want to miss. First off, let's dive into why Oyster's system is a game changer. As businesses scale globally, managing employees from different countries can get tricky. Oyster simplifies that by centralizing everything you need for seamless onboarding, from contract management to compliance, all in one platform. When you first log in, you'll notice the clean interface, which lets you easily access employee profiles, manage contracts, and stay on top of local regulations in over 180 countries. That's right, whether you're hiring in Europe, Asia, or beyond, Oyster makes it easy to onboard your team no matter where they are. To get started, click on the Add New Employee button. This will prompt you to fill out basic details about the employee: name, role, country, and compensation. What's great here is Oyster automatically generates a compliant contract based on your location and local labor laws. This eliminates the hassle of navigating complex legal frameworks across different regions. Next, Oyster walks you through setting up your employee's benefits package. You can customize this for each employee based on location-specific requirements, like health insurance, tax withholdings, and even pension contributions. Once you're done, you simply hit send, and Oyster takes care of the rest, sending the employee an invitation to sign digitally. This takes away the tedious back-and-forth paperwork. The next major feature you'll love is the employee dashboard. Once your team member completes their onboarding, they get access to a dashboard where they can track tasks, access relevant resources, and communicate with HR. This ensures a smoother, more organized onboarding experience for both you and your new hire. For ongoing compliance, Oyster's platform helps you stay updated on labor laws and payroll deadlines. You'll get automatic reminders so you never miss an important deadline. And with automatic payroll processing, you can rest easy knowing your employees are paid correctly and on time. But it's not just about compliance. Oyster lets you create a more engaging onboarding experience by adding custom training materials, company policies, and team introductions. It's not just about paperwork, it's about building connections with your new employees right from the start. And remember, you can access Oyster for free through the first link below, and we've secured an exclusive bonus to give you an extended trial. So don't wait, sign up today and experience a better way to onboard global employees. By now, you should see how Oyster's global employee onboarding system simplifies the process, saving you time and reducing friction in managing a remote, global workforce. With its easy setup, local compliance, and personalized features, it's everything you need for a streamlined employee experience. To wrap up, remember that you can start using Oyster's system completely free with the special offer linked below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out that exclusive offer.